A joyful good morning to you all. How are you, students? I hope that you are fine. In the previous class, we have learned about the uses of plastic and the general properties of plastics. That is, plastics have low thermal conductivity. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. They are insoluble in water and they are inflammable. They do not get corroded or eroded and they will not get rusted, etc. Regarding these general properties, we have learned about the uses also. They are used for making handles of cooking vessels. They are used to make some parts in the refrigerator. Then they are also used for making containers in microwave oven. Also, they are used as a covering material in electrical appliances such as cords, electrical outlets and wiring. Then they are used for making bottles, buckets and other containers for storing water. Then they are not reacting with water. That's why they are used in homes for storing food, and in laboratories we use plastic bottles for storing chemicals such as acids and bleaches. Okay, now I am going to teach you a new topic, small topic. When you go to a shop for buying some articles or some materials such as grocery items, you will get the polythene bags, is it not? What do you do after using the plastic articles? Either you will throw through the window outside or you will put it in the dustbin, is it not? Now, if you throw outside, when the wind is blowing heavily, the plastic bags or plastic covers, it will be scattered everywhere and at last it may stay under the trees or plants, is it not? So if it is raining heavily, the plastic cover will not allow the rainwater to seep into the ground. So the plants also cannot get the water. As well as when rainwater is not allowed to penetrate or seep into the groundwater level also will decrease. So these are the various problems, serious problems that are occurring due to the usage of plastic, is it not? Now one more thing is, these plastics, when it is thrown, it is not decomposed by microorganisms. For example, if you take the peels of vegetables or fruits, it will take 1 or 2 weeks only for getting decayed completely. That is, the vegetable material and the fruit waste can be decomposed or decayed by microorganisms. That's why we will say that as biodegradable. At the same time, plastics, when it is buried under the ground, it is not decayed by microorganisms. So, plastics are non-biodegradable. They are not decomposed by microorganisms. So, accumulation of this plastic is considered as a serious problem because most of the methods used to dispose them results in some type of damage to the environment. Plastics, when it is burned, it releases toxic gases into the atmosphere. It will cause air pollution. So, between 500 million years to 1 trillion plastic bags are consumed throughout the world each year. Every piece of plastic made still date has still not begun to decompose, as it takes 450 years for plastic to begin decomposing, and then up to another 80 years for it to disappear completely. So between 500 million to 1 trillion plastic bags are consumed or bought or used by the human being throughout the world in each year. So every plastic used, still now it did not start decomposing, because plastic takes 450 years to start to begin decomposing, okay, and it will take another 80 years to decompose completely or to destroy completely. Now this plastics accumulated on the rainwater blocks the rainwater from seeping into the ground. So it will cause some damage to the or harm to the aquatic organisms when it is thrown into the water bodies. Now how will you reduce or control the usage of plastic, students? First of all, reduce the usage of plastic, then recycle the plastic objects. How to reduce the usage of plastic? Whenever you go to the shop, instead of buying plastic bags, you can take cotton bag or jute bags. Also, you avoid getting the plastic bags from the shops. Then how to recycle the plastic objects? Recycling process involves 2 or 3 ways. That is, first collect the plastic material, then sort out and do processing. So for example, PET soft drink bottles, Coca-Cola, Pepsi bottles, etc., when it is becoming waste, you melt it down, and the melted material can be spun into fibers to make fabrics for making jackets and sleeping bags. Scientists nowadays, they have found out a new eco-friendly bioplastic. It is biodegradable and it is prepared from cornstarch and vegetable oil. Bioplastics are useful for making disposable items such as packaging and catering items. Now our government has provided through the municipality people 2 types of dustbins. One is called green bin and another is called blue bin. This green bin is utilized for keeping the biodegradable waste such as food items, vegetable waste, fruit waste, etc. And the blue bin is used for throwing the recyclable waste such as plastic, glass, etc. Okay, so that's all about the plastic on the environment. Now shall we see the question answers on the textbook? Take page number 53. Page number 53, choose the correct option. Which of the following is not a synthetic fiber? First question, answer is cotton. Which of the following is not a synthetic fiber? Answer is cotton, option B. Second question, a synthetic fiber used for making fishing nets and strings of badminton and tennis racket. Answer is option D, nylon. A synthetic fiber used for making fishing nets and strings of badminton and tennis racket. Answer is option D, nylon. See the third question. Which of the following is a characteristic of a synthetic fiber? Answer is option B, wrinkle resistant. Which of the following is a characteristic of a synthetic fiber? Answer is option B, wrinkle resistant. Question number 4. Which of the following is a property of a plastic? See, in this option, D is the answer. D is the option. All of these. Okay. Fifth question. A plastic used as automobile battery casings. Option A, PP is the answer. Then, which of the following cannot be remolded after heating? Option C, melamine is the answer. Which of the following cannot be remolded after heating? Option C, melamine is the answer. Then, seventh question. Which of the following fibers are used for making conveyor belts? Answer is option B, terlin. Which of the following fibers are used for making conveyor belts? Option B is the answer, terlin. Eighth question. Which of the following fabrics is waterproof? Option A, nylon is the answer. Which of the following fabrics is waterproof? Option A, nylon is the answer. Ninth question. Polypropylene is used for making? Option D is the answer, all of this. Option D, all of this is the answer. Polypropylene is used for making? Option D is the answer, all of this. 10th question. Which of the following are harmful effects associated with plastic disposal? Option D, all of them is the answer. Which of the following are harmful effects associated with plastic disposal? Option D, all of them is the answer. Now, students, turn on page number 54. Match the following. Column A, rayon. Answer is option D, home furnishing. PET. Option C is the answer, containers for microwave cooking. Third question, polyester. Option A is the answer, lightweight sails. Then HDPE. Option B is the answer, containers for bleaches and acids. Then fifth one, acrylic. Option F is the answer, sweaters, carpets and blankets. Then LDPE. Option D is the answer, poly bags. So, once again, I'll repeat the answers for the match the following. Rayon, home furnishing. PET, containers for microwave cooking. Polyester, lightweight sails. HDPE, containers for bleaches and acids. Acrylic, sweaters, carpets and blankets. LDPE, poly bags. Shall we pass on to the next Roman letter? Roman letter second, A. Give one word for the following. A fiber also known as artificial silk. What is the answer? Rayon. R-A-Y-O-N. Rayon. Second one, a synthetic fiber used for making swimwear. Spandex. S-P-A-N-D-E-X. A synthetic fiber used for making swimwear. Spandex. Then third question, lycra is the other name of spandex. S-P-A-N-D-E-X. Spandex. Fourth question, plastics that have heavy cross-linking. Answer is thermosetting plastics. Fifth one, substances that cannot be decomposed by microorganism. Non-biodegradable. Answer is non-biodegradable. So, I'll repeat once again. Give one word for the following. First question, a fiber also known as artificial silk. Rayon. A synthetic fiber used for making swimwear. Spandex. Lycra is the other name for spandex. Plastic that can that have heavy cross-linking thermosetting plastics, substances that cannot be decomposed by microorganisms, non-biodegradable. So, students, I have given the one-word answers. For choose the correct answer, match the following, give one word. So, I have given three Roman letters. These three you have to learn as a homework and be prepared for the next class. Thank you.